Today we learn 4 important clothing verbs: wear, put on, take off, and try on. These verbs help you talk about clothes every day. Understanding the differences makes your English sound natural. Wear means you have clothes on regularly, like every day. Put on means you start wearing something right now. Wear describes a habit. Put on describes an action happening at this moment. Take off means remove clothes from your body. Try on means put on clothes in a store to check the size. Take off is the opposite of put on. Try on helps you decide before buying. Listen to wear examples. I wear a shirt to work every day. She wears glasses every day. He wears a watch. Wear always talks about regular habits or what someone has on now. Listen to take off examples. Please take off your shoes before entering. He took off his hat inside the house. She took off her coat because it was warm. Take off means remove clothing. Listen to put on examples. She put on her jacket before going out. I put on my shoes quickly. He put on a sweater because it was cold. Put on means start wearing something now. Listen to try on examples. I want to try on this dress in the store. She tried on several pairs of shoes. He will try on the jacket. Try on means test clothes before buying. Remember these key differences. Wear means have on regularly. Put on means start wearing now. Take off means remove clothes. Try on means test clothes in a store. Practice these daily.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.